You're eating well, exercising, doing everything right. So why do your legs feel weaker? Why do stairs feel steeper? Why does getting out of a chair take longer every year? Is it just aging, or is something you're eating secretly sabotaging your strength? Seniors, listen closely. Today we're exposing the 7 deadliest fruits for anyone over 60. These healthy foods are silently attacking your legs, joints, and mobility, and you're eating them every week. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your fruit bowl the same way again. We've been told fruits are nature's perfect snack, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. But here's the truth nobody talks about. As we age, our bodies change. Metabolism slows, circulation weakens, inflammation becomes a silent enemy, and suddenly fruits that once fueled us now hijack our health. The worst part? These fruits don't scream danger. They're in your smoothies, salads, and desserts. But bite by bite, they're stealing your strength. Let's reveal the culprits. 1. Pineapple, the acidic betrayal. Pineapple's bromelain enzyme is praised for fighting inflammation. But seniors, beware. Its hidden acids and sugars burn through your joints like fire. Studies show pineapple spikes blood sugar 30% faster in aging bodies, starving your legs of oxygen. That heavy leg feeling after eating, that's pineapple quietly strangling your circulation. 2. Bananas, the potassium lie. Bananas are the ultimate health halo scam. Yes, they're packed with potassium, but each bite floods your system with sugars that clog your veins and inflame joints. For seniors, this means swollen ankles, stiff calves, and a 40% higher risk of nighttime leg cramps. That healthy morning banana? It's a Trojan horse. 3. Grapes, the gout trigger. These tiny health bombs are fructose landmines. Just 1 cup of grapes can spike uric acid levels by 20% in seniors, fueling gout attacks in toes, knees, and ankles. That burning pain at 3 a.m.? Grapes are guilty, and their small size tricks you into overeating, making every handful a step closer to a wheelchair. 4. Watermelon, the blood sugar trap. Watermelon's glycemic index is higher than cake. One slide sends seniors' blood sugar on a roller coaster, spiking insulin, inflaming arteries, and leaving legs feeling like concrete. That refreshing summer snack? It's draining your mobility, one sugary bite at a time. Five. Oranges, the joint acidifier. Oranges are acidic time bombs. Their citric acid erodes joint cartilage, while their natural sugars ignite inflammation. For seniors, daily orange juice is like pouring gasoline on arthritic knees. That morning stiffness? It's not old age. It's the orange you ate yesterday. 6. Green apples, the silent crippler. Don't let green fool you. These apples pack malic acid that chews through aging gut linings, leaking toxins into your bloodstream. The result? Burning hips, stiff knees, and legs that buckle without warning. That healthy crunch? It's the sound of your independence snapping. 7. Mango, the sugar nuke. Mangoes are nature's candy with a sinister twist. 1 cup equals 23 grams of sugar, triggering inflammation so severe, seniors report 70% more nerve pain in their feet. That tropical treat is a one-way ticket to swollen ankles and numb toes. Taste paradise today, lose your legs tomorrow. Segment 3, the solution. But here's the good news, you can reverse the damage. Swap these deadly fruits for these 4 powerhouse alternatives that rebuild joints, boost circulation, and keep your legs strong for life. 1. Berries, the inflammation assassins. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, loaded with anthocyanins that cool joint inflammation like ice packs. Studies show seniors who eat berries daily have 50% less leg pain and walk 30% faster. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or eat them fresh. Two, cherries, the gout guardians. Tart cherries are uric acid killers. Just 1/2 cup daily flushes out crystals, easing toe pain and stiffness. Pro tip, choose unsweetened frozen cherries to avoid hidden sugars. 3. Avocado, the joint lubricator. Avocados are packed with oleic acid, a fat that greases stiff joints and cushions knees. Seniors who eat 1/4 avocado daily report easier stair climbing and 60% less hip pain. Spread it on toast, blend it into shakes, or eat it straight. Four, papaya, the digestive healer. Papaya's enzymes, papain, dissolve inflammation and repair gut lining. Less gut leaks equals less joint toxins. Plus, its soft texture is perfect for sensitive seniors. Add lime for extra zing. Segment 4, your action plan. Ready to take back your strength? Here's your 3-step plan. 1. Cleanse. Toss those 7 deadly fruits from your kitchen now. 2. Replace. Stock berries, cherries, avocado, and papaya. 3. Thrive. Share this video with every senior you love. They deserve the truth. Growing older doesn't mean growing weaker. It means growing wiser. You've just uncovered the secrets big food doesn't want you to know. Now it's your turn to fight back. Click subscribe and hit that bell, because next week we're exposing the 5 healthy veggies destroying your kidneys. Until then, stay strong, stay savvy, and never let pain steal your joy.